got a Neewer Dolly. This is an auto Dolly with wireless remote. It's pretty heavy box. This is an unboxing, so you guys can see. Oh my God, with the tape. All right, we got one. Is there another one? There is another one. This is not an ad. We are not supposed to talk great about this. Let's see what's up. Okay. So what you get is a USB cord. You get, from what I understand, to be a remote. We'll open that in a second. I'm pretty sure this is something that you get for a thing that you break. You can replace. This seems like it's for the wheels or something like that. I could tell. Instruction manual. And boom. And this is the little thing you place up here, which is basically for the dolly. Okay. This is replaceable. You can replace this with something else if you want to have a different head. I'm pretty sure. And yeah, there it is. You see, you can take it off and roll it right through. I'm probably going to put this on my quick release. Put a quick release on here and see how that works out. A quick release on top of a one that I can move back and forth. This is pretty hefty. It's not light at all. And we're going to test this bad boy out. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to let it go left or right. Just like that. And so you guys can see it. I'm going to take this off and showcase it to you guys. All right, so we got the quick release. Let's see how good it is. 24-70, nice heavy camera, A9 III, and we'll showcase it now. And generally, this is just to make some dope shots, and I'll show you guys those shots in a sec. Let's say you guys are looking, it does have weight distribution, so it's very good on weight so far. So now I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I can't wait to test this out and do some dope shots with it. But man, it's clean. Very easy, very simple to use. Wasn't hard to set up at all. But yeah, goes the other way, multiple ways. Goes slow motion. You guys want to see slow motion? That's me. Hi. Pretty nice. There's a fast pace, there's a slow pace. How do I feel about this? I feel a little stoked about it. Excited to try this out with some of the shots that you guys are going to see. All you really kind of got to do is line it up here. You kind of line it up here and it'll give you a good angle of where you're going. But I don't think that it's hard to do. You just kind of do it beforehand. And these are very sturdy. You can tighten these up just in case you don't ever want it to move. You can go left or right. It's pretty nice, man. And then I attached my Falcam F38 quick release on there. I want to install something that goes up or down, like I can kind of give it like an angle shot. So we'll see if we can do that. But man, if you don't have one of these, man, I would definitely suggest you get one. For me, this is a definite must. I'm definitely going to use this and utilize it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. See you guys in the next one. Peace.